photo. He was 15, and it said it took 18 jumps before his dad got that perfect pose right between the rocks. Now we have our perfect dogs that do our jumping for us. And I think we have Bennett today, our blue heeler. Bennett's gonna jump over to stand, rock, and back. So if you wanna get that H.H. Bennett shot, where Bennett's right between the rocks, get your cameras ready, because this goes very, very fast, all right? So everybody look up here.